Hello viewers, what's up? I think you guys doing great and I'm doing fabulous. So in this video, I would like to show you something. You can see here is master trees, or here's the master flowers, and we can see the behind the master flowers. It's like wheat, and here's in this side we can see wild coriander. It's mean dhania pata, and we can see this is the like shorisha. আর পিছনে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি গম. This is the really crucial time here. This is almost afternoon, and this view is really mind-blowing to me. And I'm here for practicing purpose. As you know, guys, every day I try to make video, and this video I'm uploading on social media so that you can guys see my practicing, how which way I'm practicing. Okay, so this is my practicing style, so I would definitely recommend you guys. You can also practice in a quiet place. You can see behind, oh my goodness. Okay, so you can also follow this way. There is none, you can see beside me, there is none except me, except this view, because I feel like really jolly whenever I am in natural places. It's give me energy, and it's encouraged me a lot. That's why I feel like really like I feel like good. I feel like what? It's like I feel like jolly and delighted to be here, because I can get huge space and time, and so there is none who will like disturb me. And yeah, this is the thing. By the way, so in this video, I gonna share something which is really efficient to you. If you wanna learn English, then you have to be dedicated. আপনি যদি হচ্ছে ইংরেজি শিখতে চান, তাহলে আপনাকে অবশ্যই পরিশ্রমী হতে হবে. So except dedication, you will never be able to learn English. You have to remember that thing. Okay, so in this video, what should I share? I don't know, but I'm talking randomly, you know, guys. But this random way you can learn also. Like we love to follow rules. Like whenever you are in rules, then we may get so many things. And on the other hand, we can also sometimes like become like unruly. Unruly means that we shouldn't follow any rules. That like the rules, like whenever you are really thirsty to learn anything, at the time you shouldn't follow. Suppose in my mind always seeking, and wherever I can get knowledge, and I mean especially English, and I definitely like said myself that anyhow you have to be fluent on it. So that's the reason I didn't follow any rules. Which means that like whenever I haven't any specific time at the time I practice. Wherever I go, everywhere I practice with myself, because some of them think that I have to go coaching, then I will practice there. মানে কেউ চিন্তা করে যে আমি কোচিং এ যাব, বা কারো টাইম থাকে ঘরে বসেই প্র্যাকটিস করব, এইরকম কোন ধরাবান্ধা নিয়ম আসলে নাই. আপনি যদি আসলে শিখতে চান, তাহলে আপনাকে সব সময় রুলের মধ্যে থাকা যাবে না. কারণ আপনি হচ্ছে বলা যায় এখন আপনি একা আছেন, এখন প্র্যাকটিস করেন, যেখানেই যান না কেন ওইখানে যদি প্র্যাকটিস শুরু করেন, তাহলে হবে কি আস্তে আস্তে আপনার ফ্লুয়েন্সিটা চলে আসবে. আপনি খুব তাড়াতাড়ি শিখতে পারবেন. যখন মানে সত্যিই আপনি কিছু শিখতে চাবেন বা পেতে চাবেন, আমরা চাই, তখন সম্ভব. তো the moral is that you have to be dedicated and you have to passionate about it, then you will be able to learn. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. I haven't any topic that I should share with you. That's why I talk randomly, and আমি আসলে আপনাদের এই ভিউটা দেখাচ্ছি, খুবই সুন্দর একটা ভিউ. Okay, that's all for now. Allah Hafiz.